our 3 glass door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 80 inches, a depth of 32 inches, and height with caster wheels, we have 82 inches tall. Left, middle, and right swing doors, and included are 9 adjustable shelves. Please note that the shelves are not assembled for this video, but they will be included. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator will include 26 inches in length, 26¼ inches in depth. 26¼ inches depth is from the back wall towards the front before the LED strip. And the height, we have 52 inches. The measurements for each shelf will include 23½ inches in length by 23 inches in depth. Coming to the far left corner is the ETL certification. Keys will also be provided for each lock. Coming to the top will be the temperature control, the light, and the power switch. The refrigerator uses a 110/120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.